Dear students, this is Dev's Academy, and now you are watching a study class for class 10 ICAC. We have started here the chapter shares and dividend. It is a continuation of shares and dividend. Previously, I have discussed what is share, what is dividend, what is nominal value, face value, registered value or list value, and what is market value, etc., etc., and how this can be calculated. The formula is also given. So now we are going to discuss 4 short questions. The question number 1, a man invests rupees 20,020 in buying a share of nominal value 26 at 10% premium. The dividend on the share is 15% per annum. PA means per annum. Calculate the number of shares he buys, the dividend he receives annually, and the rate of interest he gets on his money. It is that nominal value of each share is rupees 26. Nominal value of each share is rupees 26, and market value at 10% premium, it will be 110 by 100 into 26, that is 28.60. So question number 1, solve to question number 1, that is number of shares he bought equal to total investment by market value of 1 share, that is 700. Therefore he bought shares, number of shares he bought is 700. And annual dividend, it is that 15% of his 700 shares equal to number of shares into each market value, nominal value into 15 by 100, which is 2,730 only, and rate of interest on his money equal to 2,730 by 20,020 into 100, which is 13 whole 7 by 11% or 13.6%. This is the answer. Now the second question says that two brothers A and B invest rupees 16,000 each in buying shares of two companies. A buys 3% 100 rupee share at rupees 10. At 10 means at rupees 10. And B buys 10 rupee share at par. At par means at the same rate. Both of them at the same rate, that is nominal value is market value. If they both receive equal dividend at the end of the year, find the rate percent of the dividend received by B. The solution is that number of shares bought by A equal to total investment by cost of each share, which is 200. And dividend earned at 3%, that is 200 into 100, because the nominal value of each share is rupees 100 into 3 by 3%, 3 by 100, that is rupees 60. Therefore B also earned the same amount, that is 600 rupees, and his dividend for B will be 600 by 16,000, because investment was 16,000 into 100, that is 3.75. So the rate of dividend received by B is 3.75%. Question number 3. A man sold 400 rupees 20 shares of a company paying 5% at rupees 18 and invest the proceeds in rupees 10 shares of another company paying 7% at rupees 12. How many rupees 10 shares did he buy and what was the change in his income? Let us see that he sold 400 shares. Number of shares he sold 400, and the nominal value of each was rupees 20. That company gave a dividend of 5%, and at rupees 18, when he purchases the share, it is at rupees 18 when he sells, the rate of share, each share was 18. Therefore, the dividend on 400 shares at rupees 20 at 15% equal to 400 into 20 into 5 by 100, that is 400. He may receive rupees 400 as dividend, and SP of 400 shares at rupees 18, because the selling value of each share was rupees 18. Selling value 18 equal to 18 into 400. Number of shares he sold 400. That is rupees 7,200. So he earned from his selling of 400 shares. And number of shares he bought with MB 12. The market value of each share was 12, the second type. And number of shares he bought 7,200 by rupees 12, that is 600. 600 shares he bought. Face value of 600 shares at rupees 10 equal to 6,000, and dividend he earned at 7,000, 7% equal to 7 by 100 into 6,000, that is rupees 420. Therefore, this dividend he earned. Therefore, change in income equal to, it will be, at first it was 400, now it is 420. So, the change in income is rupees 20. Question number 4. A man bought 360 10 rupee share of a company paying 12% per annum. He sold the shares when their price rose to rupees 21 per share and invested the proceeds in rupees 5 shares paying 4.5% per annum at 3.50 per share. Find the annual change in his income. Face value per share, the solution is that face value per share is rupees 10 and number of shares he bought 360. The dividend earned on each rupees 10 share at 12% equal to rupees 1.30. Because the registered price or the nominal value of each share is equal to rupees 10, and dividend on 360 shares is rupees 360 into 1.20, that is 432 only rupees. And SP of 360 shares at rupees 21 equal to rupees 21 into 360, that is rupees 7,560, because the price of each share rose to 21. So SP will be rupees 7,560, and number of shares he purchased at rupees 3.50 each equal to rupees 7,560 divided by price of each share, that is 216. Face value of shares at rupees 5 each will be 500 into 2,160, that is 10,800. Dividend earned 4.5%, that is 4.5 by 100 into 10800, that is 486 only. Therefore, his change in annual income will be rupees 486, which he earned now, and before it was 432. When we subtract this, we will get 54. So change in annual income will be rupees 54 only. This is all about today's class. Next, we will proceed and continue this share and dividend. Thank you.